Every week you get money, and every week the money disappears. No savings, no plan, no idea where it went. If this is you, you are not alone. Welcome to Money Works. This is the channel where we learn money in the simplest way possible. No big words, no complicated investing, just real life money lessons. And today, we start with the most important question. Why are you always broke? This was me. I got 500. I said, this time I will save. But first, snacks, then airtime, then one small thing, then another small thing. At the end of the week, nothing. Empty pockets, empty wallet, only regrets. Listen carefully. You are not broke because you got little money. You are broke because you don't control your money. Money without a plan always disappears. Here is the first rule of money. Save first, spend later. Not save what remains, because nothing will remain. If you get 100, save 10 and use 90%. Small but powerful. Let's make it real. Save 10 every day. That is 70 in a week. That is 300 in a month. From money you used to waste, this is how saving starts. Small, slow, but strong. On this channel, we will learn how to save money, how to stop wasting money, how to think about money the right way, step by step, together. You don't need to be rich to start. You don't need a big salary. You only need one thing, a decision. Start small, stay consistent, and your money will start working for you. If you want to learn money in a simple way, subscribe and let's grow together, because now you understand how money works.